Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use 3 acupuncture points to help you reach your weight loss goals. Acupuncturists believe that acupuncture can stimulate the flow of life force, which they call qi, to increase metabolism, reduce appetite, and lower stress. A recent analysis of 21 studies with over 1,300 participants showed that acupoint stimulation was significantly more effective than diet and exercise for reducing body weight and body mass index. We do know that achieving and maintaining a healthy weight is a complex process involving many factors such as the endocrine system, the immune system, the nervous system, the gastrointestinal tract, and genetics, to name a few. Because acupuncture points affect multi-systems, acupoint therapy is perfectly suited to help people achieve their weight loss goals. My name is Dr. Baritz. I'm a chiropractor, nutritionist, herbalist, and I'm certified in acupoint physical medicine. I've helped thousands of people live better naturally, and I want to help you too. If you have a condition that you would like to address, please note it below so I can create a video for you. If you like this information, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to be alerted to new videos as they come out. In my experience, combining acupoint stimulation with a healthy diet and exercise program gives best long-term results. My favorite herbal formula that works synergistically with a weight loss program is called Free and Easy Wanderer. I've put a link below for more information about Free and Easy Wanderer. The 3 points for weight loss are Heart 3, Governing Vessel 26, and the Appetite Control Point at the front of the ear. Let's take a look at how to find and stimulate these points. Governing Vessel 26 is in the groove that runs from the base of your nose to your upper lip. The name for this groove is the philtrum. In addition to helping with weight management, Governing Vessel 26 is said to restore clarity, open the senses, quiet the nervous system, and relieve low back pain. To find Governing Vessel 26, press into your philtrum, the center of your philtrum, and press slightly up or slightly down until you find a tender spot. Stimulate Governing Vessel 26 by rubbing or pressing 5 times rapidly. Then take a break for a count of 5, and then repeat 4 more times. The skin on your face can be tender, so be sure not to use too much pressure. The next point is Heart 3. Heart 3 is located on the inside of your arm, halfway between the tip of your elbow and the elbow crease. In addition to helping with weight loss, Heart 3 is said to calm the heart, pacify the spirit, help restore memory, improve arm range of motion, and reduce trembling of the hands. To locate Heart 3, find the midpoint between the tip of your elbow and the crease of your arm, right about over here. Then press in till you find a tender spot. Stimulate Heart 3 by rubbing or pressing 5 times rapidly. Then take a break for a count of 5 and repeat 4 more times. Now find Heart 3 on your left arm and repeat. After you're through, relax, take a deep breath, and move your arms around for a minute or so. Things might be looking a little brighter or sharper to you, and your joints might feel more flexible. This is normal and expected. Repeated treatments deepen results. Heart 3 has also been used to reduce toothaches, headaches, and dizziness. The final acupuncture point for weight management is the appetite control point located just in front of the ear where the tragus meets your face. The tragus is this little section of the ear that protects the ear canal. The appetite control point is said to relieve hunger and reduce compulsive eating. To determine which ear to treat, press on your left nostril and breathe in and out. Then press on your right nostril and breathe in and out. Notice which side does not breathe as easy and treat the ear on that side. The breath test may change from time to time, so it is best to check each time you want to stimulate ear acupoints. Very occasionally, you might find that both nostrils breathe the same. In that case, stimulate the point on both ears. Now gently press just in front of your tragus and find a point that is tender, sensitive, or painful. Gently stimulate the appetite control point by rubbing and pressing 5 times rapidly. Take a break for a count of 5 and repeat 4 more times. During or shortly after stimulating these acupuncture points, you may feel heat, energy, or a full sensation in your abdomen. This is normal and may continue for several hours. I suggest that you respect the rhythms of your body and hold off eating until you're truly hungry. Good luck with your weight loss goals. Till next time, this is Dr. Baritz signing off, yours for health naturally.